Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine and doing your study also. So, student, now take out your rough copy, pencil, and when I am teaching you, then note down the important points also, and the things which you are unable to understand, note down that things in your rough copy, so that in the online doubt session you can discuss that thing with me. Is it clear, student? Today date is 14/7/2020, chapter number 11, nature's gift to us. See, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done study in our previous chapter. So, student, I told you that life is not possible without the natural resources. And what are the natural resources that I have discussed in my previous video with you? Air, water, sunlight, soil, plants, animals, forest. So these things we have discussed in our previous video. Now, student, when we are discussing the natural resources and even minerals, that is also a natural resource. They are found deep inside the earth. So, student, now today we will discuss what are man-made things. What are man-made things? So, student, road, building, table, chair, house, toys. So all these different machines, furnitures, ये जितनी भी चीजें हैं, these are known as man-made things. It means we have made these things. Now, student, the question arises from where we get the material. For example, first of all, I write the name of the few man-made things and then I will discuss with the example. Roads, building, table, chairs, fan, एक्स्ट्रा. यू नो स्टूडेंट, आपको पता है बेटा, जितनी भी चीजें, बहुत सी चीजें आपके हाउस में इधर उधर सराउंडिंग्स में हैं, दोज आर मैन मेड थिंग्स. सो आई हैव रिटन ओनली फ्यू एग्जांपल ऑन द बोर्ड. दैट रोड्स, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग्स, टेबल, chairs, fans, etc. All we know that all these are man-made things. All these are man-made. All these are man-made things. Now, student, the question arises from where we get the materials for making these things. These things are, for example, in my previous video I discussed natural, what are natural resources, all that things I have discussed in the previous video. Now today I am discussing with you what are man-made things and few examples I have written on the board. Now student, question arises, from where we are getting material for making these man made things. So student, what does it mean? It means that ये जो बेटा हम लोग मैन मेड थिंग्स बना रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए हमें रॉ मटेरियल कहाँ से मिल रहा है, सामान कहाँ से मिल रहा है? सो स्टूडेंट, फॉर मेकिंग दीज मैन मेड थिंग्स we are getting the material from the natural resources. We are getting material from the natural resources. That is the reason many times I told you, life without these natural resources is not possible. All the things, road, buildings, table, chair, fan, extra, whatever things is made by the human beings, that for that things we are getting the material from the natural resources. For example, let's take table. For example, table is made of a wood, and from we where we are getting the wood, student, we are getting the wood from the trees. We are getting the wood from the trees. So in the same manner, all the things which have written on the board for making these things which are known as man made things, for all these things we get the material from the natural resources. इज इट क्लियर? आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सबको ये समझ में आ गया होगा कि जितनी भी मैन मेड थिंग्स हैं, इन सबके लिए मटेरियल कहाँ से मिलता है, रॉ मटेरियल इनको बनाने के लिए. तो वी आर गेटिंग दिस मटेरियल स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम मैन, फ्रॉम द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी डू वन स्मॉल एक्टिविटी ऑन द बोर्ड. एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करेंगे. We have to identify the name of the few things is given, and we have to write that whether that thing is man made or natural thing, so that the what is the difference between a natural thing and man made thing is clear to you. ठीक है? There are few name of the few thing is given, and we have to identify and write in the right column what are man-made things and what are natural things, so that we are able to understand the difference between man-made things and natural things. So you are, even you can note down in your rough copy also. When you are watching the video, you are sitting with one rough copy and pencil. Even you can note down in the rough copy also, because I will write the names of the things. You can put that names in the right column. Pencil, cat, dog, coal, trees, glass, mountain, river, fan, computer, mango, Now student, see, few names are written on the board. Pencil, cat, dog, coal, trees, glass, mountain, river, fan, computer, mango. Now we have to write the name of the things in the right column. First column is man-made things. What are man-made things? We will write in this column. And what are natural things? We will write in this column. So student, first is a pencil. So what is pencil? Pencil is a man-made thing. After that, cat is the name of the animal. So animals come in which category? Natural thing. Second is the name of a animal, again dog. So it is also come in which category? Natural thing. Then coal. Coal is a fossil fuel. Coal is a fossil fuel and they are found deep inside the earth. They are found deep inside the earth. So this, what is coal? So this is also a natural thing. This is also a natural thing. And after that, natural things are also divided into two categories. After this activity I will tell you. Okay, so coal is a fossil fuel and it is present deep inside the earth. Then next, trees. Trees are also natural things. Then next, glass, man-made. Mountains. Mountains are, what are mountain? Mountain are natural things. Then river. River is also a natural thing. Next, fan. Fan is a man-made thing. सबके घर में फैन है, सबने फैन देखा है. So what is this? Fan is a man-made thing. Next is computer. Computer is also a man-made machine. Computer is also a man-made machine. So computer. Next, mango. Mango, where you will see the mango. Mango is the name of the fruit and we see in the trees. So this is a natural thing. So student, with the help of this activity, now you are able to make a difference between a man-made things and natural things. Okay, so what are man-made things and what are natural things? And for making the man-made things, student, from where we are getting the material for making the man-made things, student, we are getting the material from the natural things. We are getting the material from the natural things. Is it clear? कि मैन मेड थिंग्स को बनाने के लिए जो हम मटेरियल यूज करते हैं, मैन मेड थिंग्स बनाते जो है, जैसे पेंसिल है, ग्लास है, फैन है, कंप्यूटर है, ये सबको बनाने के लिए जो मटेरियल्स आपको मिल रहा है, दैट वी आर गेटिंग दिस मटेरियल फ्रॉम द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. वी आर गेटिंग दिस मटेरियल फ्रॉम द नेचुरल resources. So one time we do the recapitulation. We have done what are natural resources. The life is not possible without these natural resources. We are daily So our life is not possible without these natural resources. And what are the man-made things and what are the natural resources, that difference also you are able to understand कि इन दोनों में क्या difference है. And another new point which you get is that how we make the man-made things. We can make the man-made things, and for that from where we are getting the raw material, हमें उसके लिए मटेरियल कहां से मिल रहा है. We are getting material from the natural resources. We are getting material from the natural resources. Now next, open page number 64. Open page number 64. Most of the things that are man made require natural resources, and it is also shown in the picture also. It is also shown in the picture also. You can see this picture. See, in this picture it is shown all what from the trees. From the trees what we are getting, we are getting trees from the, we are getting wood from the trees. We are getting, student, wood from the tree. And see, all you are able to see, this is a table, chair and wooden almirah. All these are made of wood. All these furnitures are, जो जितने भी हैं, all these are made of wood. And from where we are getting material, raw material for making all these man-made things, we are getting these material from the tree, because all these material are made of wood, because all these material are made of wood. Now next thing, let discuss, student. Now see, student, when we are talking about natural resources, so now the question arises, how many types of resources are there? So student, natural resources can be divided into two parts. Is it clear? It can be divided into two parts. First understand this. Types of natural resources. So when we are discussing, student, types of natural resources, it is divided into two parts. See, first one is renewable, and second one is non-renewable. Is it clear? This is the first one. One type is this and second type is this. Types of natural resources. Okay, type of natural resources. Now when we are studying types of natural resources, then it is divided into two types, that is renewable resources and non renewable resources. So understand, student, what is the difference in them. Is it clear? So try to understand, student, what is the difference in these two resources. Let first start with the renewable. So when I start the chapter, I give you a summary, small summary of the chapter, what we have to study in this chapter, what we have to study in this chapter. At that time I told you, student, that wind, water, soil, plants, animal, sunlight, what all are these? These are renewable resources. Is it clear, student? What is the reason? The reason is that their stock is not going to completely finished. इसका रीजन ये है कि they are present in such amount so that their stock is not completely finished. उनके स्टॉक कभी भी खत्म नहीं होंगे. Are you understanding what I am saying? Their stock is not going to completely finish. For example, sunlight. Sunlight, light of the sun. ठीक है. So this cannot be completely finished. For and after that, wind, or you can say air, it is also not completely finished. एयर भी कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकती. वाटर, 72% of your planet. Okay, in only 22% is a land and 72% is a water. So water stocks are also not completely finished. Water के भी stock completely finished नहीं हो सकते. Is it clear? Then trees. If we are cutting trees, अगर हम पेड़ों को काट रहे हैं तो हम नए पेड़ लगाएंगे, लगा भी तो सकते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि नए पेड़ लगाने में हजारों साल लग जाएंगे. यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो इसके स्टॉक भी कंप्लीटली, ट्रीज जो है इनके स्टॉक भी कंप्लीटली फिनिश नहीं हो सकते. ठीक है. वी कैन, इफ वी आर कटिंग द ट्रीज, हम पेड़ों को काट रहे हैं तो again we can grow more trees also by planting new plants. Tree, you can grow more tree also. Is it clear? So student, sunlight, air, water, trees, animals, so ये ऐसी natural resources हैं that is not completely finished. ठीक है. Soil, see, all the things, जितनी भी things हैं, soil is a very important natural resource. Soil is very important because the food which we are getting from the plants, and the plants grow in the soil. ठीक है. For example, when we are talking about the living organism, it is divided into three category, that is plants, human beings and animals. So student, we plants are the only producer. सिर्फ plants ही ऐसे हैं जो अपना भोजन बना सकते हैं. ठीक है. And we human beings and animals directly or indirectly we are depend on the plants. Directly, indirectly we are depends on the plant. So student, that is the reason these are known as renewable resources. Is it clear? So now let discuss non renewable resources. After that I give you सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल see when we are discussing other non-renewable resources, why we say that these are fossil fuels? Okay, coal, crude oil, natural gas, and even minerals. Okay, so they what happened? Thousand and more than 1,000 years they are formed. How? When the dead plants and animals remain buried, जब डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स बहुत समय तक जमीन के अंदर दबे रह गए, तो देन दीज फॉसिल फ्यूल्स आर फॉर्म. ठीक है, प्लांट्स के डेड पार्ट्स, एनिमल्स के डेड पार्ट, ये बहुत समय तक अर्थ के नीचे जब डीके रह गए, दबे रह गए, तो उससे जो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बने, सो दे आर कम इन कैटेगरी नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. व्हाई वी से दिस नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज? क्योंकि स्टूडेंट इनको बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लगे हैं. यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? कई हजार लाखों सालों से ये चीजें जमीन के नीचे दबी थी, तब ये फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बने. ठीक है, सो इफ वंस देयर स्टॉक्स आर फिनिश, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है 1 डे या 2 डे, विद इन ए वीक, 1 मंथ, 1 ईयर, 2 ईयर, 5 ईयर, 10 ईयर्स में हम इनके न्यू स्टॉक्स कर लेंगे. नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि इनके स्टॉक्स बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लगे हैं. इज इट क्लियर? तब ये जाके फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बने. तो इफ दे आर फिनिश्ड, अगर इनके स्टॉक कंप्लीटली फिनिश्ड हो जाते हैं, तो न्यू स्टॉक, ये जैसे दूसरी रिसोर्सेस हैं, तो इनके स्टॉक्स को बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लगा है. तो इतनी जल्दी इनको रिप्लेस नहीं किया जा सकता. आ रही बात समझ में? इनको रिप्लेस नहीं किया. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज कोल है, क्रूड ऑयल्स है, नेचुरल गैस, ये सब क्या है? फॉसिल फ्यूल्स हैं. हजारों लाखों साल से प्लांट्स, डेड प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स नीचे जमीन में दबे रह गए. दे आर फॉर्म ड्यू टू दिस. सो ये जो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स हैं, इनको बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लगे हैं. इसलिए अगर इनके स्टॉक्स कंप्लीटली फिनिश हो जाते हैं, तो इन्हें रिप्लेस नहीं किया जा सकता इतनी जल्दी. दैट इज द रीजन स्टूडेंट, they come in the category non renewable resources. Non renewable resources. Is it clear? Now see student, one point which I want to tell. Northern plains, okay, after that I will teach. Now see next. Now see renewable resources that we have discussed, and after that types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. What are that? They have, that I have already discussed with you. इन्हें नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज क्यों बोला जाता है? क्योंकि इनके स्टॉक्स जो हैं जल्दी रिप्लेस नहीं हो सकते, इनको बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लगे हैं इन फॉसिल फ्यूल्स को. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, these are the types of natural resources. हैं ये भी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ही, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स भी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ही हैं, लेकिन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? दैट दे आर नॉन रिन्यूएबल. ठीक है, वंस देयर स्टॉक इज कंप्लीटली फिनिश, अगर उनके स्टॉक कंप्लीटली फिनिश हो जाते हैं, तो इनको फिर से इनके स्टॉक बनने में हजारों लाखों साल लग जाएंगे. इसलिए इन्हें नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज के उसमें रखा गया है. ओके, आई होप note down the important points, and if there is any confusion in the video, you can ask in the doubt section. Thank you student.